Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Salda, and let's look at what happened globally. The domestic equity market is expected to maintain its upward momentum, supported by sustained buying from the FIIs, a rally in the global markets, and strong quarterly earnings. Market sentiment is further buoyed by optimism surrounding a potential India-US trade deal following remarks from the US Treasury Secretary, indicating that India could be among the first countries to finalize such an agreement. FIIs have been net buyers to the tune of nearly 35,000 crore rupees over the last 9 trading sessions. For the month of April, they have shifted to a net positive buying position. Additionally, the RBI's decision to conduct fresh open market operations worth 1.2 lakh crore rupees is set to enhance liquidity in the banking system, which should particularly benefit the banking and NBFC sectors. To start with our first segment for Tuesday, 29th April 2025, Nifty Index opened positive and picked up strength right from the start of the session. It gradually moved northwards throughout the day but failed to hold above 24,350 and witnessed a slight rub-off towards the end but was quickly absorbed by the bulls towards the closing. It formed a bullish candle and an inside bar on the daily frame and closed the day with gains of around 290 points. India VIX was down by 1.3% to 16.9 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.22. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,000 to 25,000, while immediate range could be in between 24,200 to 24,600 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 2,474 crores. While DIIs for sellers were 2,818 crores. FIIs were buyers worth 2,474 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 2,818 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio increased to 42%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 24,200 for the next up move towards 24,500 and 24,650, while supports can be seen shifting higher to 24,050 zone. Bank Nifty has to hold above 55,250 for the next up move towards 56,000 and a new lifetime high, while on the downside support can be seen at 55,000 mark. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in RBL Bank, Supreme Industries, HAL, Grasim, NCC, PNB, Lupin and Reliance. While some weakness could continue in Shriram Finance, Ambuja Cement, ACC, Apollo Tyres and IRFC. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Salda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.